all kitchen towels. Hindi na, malinis na siya. I will be sending this to Yang to throw away those old, these are all ready to put in the balikbayan box. Padala ko yan, lahat yan. Ready. Segregate ko din. Segregate ko na to mga towels, mga ano. Ayan, mga towels na yan. So, kailangan ko i-segregate kasi ibahin ko yung para sa aklan. May, yung sinasabi ko, nandoon na nakaready na isang balikbayan box for my cousins in aklan. You can make a cup collection of this. I want you to put this in the second floor wall area because this is the souvenirs of Pops. A lot of cup. Hawaii and military cup. The Celtic. That is his favorite group singer. So those are all cups. I want you to put this up. I think 2 dozens of this. May ito pa. Meron pa doon sa sa labas. I-decorate mo yan sa second floor sa vacant Nandito ako ngayon sa stock room namin. Ayun, puno pa yan. Dito. Tapos ito, lalaban ko pa. Mga bago pa yan. Kaya lang, mas maganda ipadala pa.